Okay, we're putting in this.
Dress.
Okay, we're putting this Frunk Luxe mat from EVANNEX.
No, black dress.
Okay, it's a black dress, but it's gonna become a Frunk carpet. Can you put it in here? Show it, other way. Turn it around. See how easy it is to put in. There you go. That's how easy it is, and fits perfectly. Very nice, very soft, of course. Just try to put the front hood down on me. Crazy. Here we've got the actual trunk, the real trunk, and another Luxe floor mat. This is to go under the. This is to go in the little cubby. You can put it down in there. I think it goes. Oh, yes. Fits nicely. So we just put it right there, and it fits nicely. And we have a nice mat in the front cubby compartment. You can put that back on there.
Oh, I got it. Here.
And we've got now a big one. And here we've got the big one, big Luxe mat carpeting for the Model 3 trunk from EVANNEX. Just I forget the brand. What is the actual brand? Anyway, we can look that up. Okay, and we just scoot it to the back.
Sideways a little bit, that way a little bit to your side. Yep.
Oh, look at that. It's like a puzzle piece. Huh? It fits nice and snug.
Can
With
I come
that,
in here for a second to be nice and snug?
No.
Look just up first.
Not right
Put
now.
my feet this way.
Seems like you have to tuck this in a little bit in the corners to really make it fit nice and snug. But fits very well. And you can still, you can very easily open the cubby compartment now. You have to show mommy that. She will be happy.